Alright, so this is the next most missed question. This one gave us a function at the top, and it really came down to getting a good solid graph for this one. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. There's one fixed point, that's a 0, 0. We know that for sure from the second line of the piecewise function. In the top line, we have absolute value of x over x. Now, we know magnitude-wise this will always reduce to 1, so we're really concerned about the signs. So I'm going to start on the left-hand side where x is negative. If I have a negative value for x, the top of this will be positive, the bottom will be negative, so that would result in a negative. Alright, the magnitude of the top and bottom are the same, so it will reduce to 1, but it's negative, again, because of the signs. If I go to the right, x is positive. I still reduce to a 1, but this time it's a positive 1. Now, my bounds of integration are from negative 5 over to positive 3, so I'm going to look at those two areas. Right, this is my first area. It's 1 deep and 5 wide, so I get negative 5 for that area. The second section is 3 wide, 1 high, so I get a 3 for that area. Now, if I take the negative 5 plus the 3, I end up at negative 2, and my correct answer is A, negative 2. Hope that helps. Thanks.